Hey guys, welcome back to this rough and tough video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to tune a song, I can say music from a web series, which is um, Sacred Games, and it is its theme music. Alright, I wanna tune it. First of all, I wanna make you see how it sounds like, I'm gonna make you hear how it sounds like, and then after that I want to be step by step guiding you how to um, tune, just accumulate what I have done. Alright. Alright. So I have done a couple of mistakes, but I'm gonna be showing you how to. Alright, let me do that one more time. Alright, and this time I have done no mistakes. So according to what I have learned, I have done no mistakes, but I haven't done it accurately. If you want to check out the original music of this web series, you can check it out in the description, linked in the description. You can click on it and you can watch it. Now I'm gonna be step by step teaching you how to do that, because while I was playing this music, you might be not able to see what I was, which key I was pressing. So for reference, you can look at these letters which are written here. So I got this piano when I was a kid, and I just messed up with this, sticker that used to show all these letters. So I have written it myself. Alright. So, okay. First of all, we are going to start it from A. Alright. I don't know what kind of piano you are using, but if you are using the same kind of piano, you can look on it. La 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 la. We're going to make la 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 la. Alright. So when you do this, you should press A and T. La 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 la. So if you want to recall it easily, what you can remember is when you press la la la, when you reach this la key, alright, you want to return to that T key again. Not to press this key, just return to whatever the key you pressed recently before this key. Alright. La 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 la. So in the original music they do it twice, so we are going to do the same. Alright, I have done it fast, but for slow, la 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 la, la 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 la. So the first part of that music is done. Now we are going to move to another part. Alright, so we are going to start another part, second part, from Z. Alright, or G, however you understand it, on G. Alright, now la 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 la, we're going to make. So we are going to press this key for 3 times. La 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 la. Alright. La 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 la. Alright. We have reached the second step. Alright. So now whenever you say la 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 la, alright, Now la 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 la, you are going to make. So the second part was la 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 la. Now we are gonna make la 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 la. Alright. You are gonna press it 2 times. You are going to press it 2 times, because at the same time we also have to make la 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 la. The last la I just pronounced. I just uh, produce it. This was not so accurate, but I have tried this. I have just discovered this idea just now. So yeah. So if you so just play with the piano and you will discover maybe better than me how to tune it. But for now, thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, you can give a thumbs up. If you want to share this video, share it. Just burn it. And I will be seeing you in the next video.